Vaping is gaining popularity as a safe replacement of smoking. But is it really safe? Well, there isn't much research done to address major health concerns yet. Major concern is, does vaping cause cancer or any other lung diseases normally associated with traditional smoking? Answer is yes, vaping can cause cancer. Let us examine the facts. Vaping or e-cigarette involve inhalation of many chemicals and metals. This certainly poses a potential health risk including cancer and lung diseases. Animal studies conducted on mice indicate that vaping makes unrepairable changes in DNA. Whether this DNA change can cause cancer or not will require research spanning over decades. But unrepairable DNA change is a good primary indication of higher risks of cancer. Researchers also found signs of cancer in some mice. Human studies have not been published, and maybe not even conducted yet to assess whether vaping can cause cancer. Vaping was introduced to get rid of smoking habits, but it turned out that vaping can be even more addictive than traditional smoking. This addiction causes consistent long-term exposure to the harmful chemicals, as vaping is not simple inhalation of water vapors alone. E-cigarette aerosol contains a cocktail of nicotine, propylene glycol and glycerol, flavorings, other chemicals and toxic metals. These harmful substances can reach deep into the lungs. Some of these chemicals and metals are suspected to cause cancer and other lung diseases. These substances can cause acute lung injury and respiratory failure. Vaping or e-cigarettes are being promoted as a useful transitional arrangement to quit smoking. But overall data suggests they aren't working. Although, it may still be possible that some people can quit smoking with the help of e-cigarettes. But, quitting smoking requires motivation and commitment to quit. Bottom line is, vaping can cause cancer. If you plan to use it as a tool to quit smoking, then do it under a doctor's supervision with a commitment to quit both smoking and vaping in a specific time period. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.